How to log into your Argos Card online banking account. This is gonna be a quick video, but before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and then search for Argos Card login right here. And once you do that, you will be taken to this web page. Now from here, what you want to do is open this link that says sign into your account. Here you can enter your email and your password. So just enter the email that you've used to sign in with. And once you do that, you can just enter your password. So once you enter your email and password, just click on sign in securely. But if you forgot your password, you can click right here to recover it. So just choose your email and send you the link. So this will send you a reset link to your email and you should be able to reset your password from there. And then sign back in with the new password that you just made. And that's how you can easily log into your Argos Card online account. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.